bitch is too big.
Huh?
The bitch is too big. It's like throwing a hot dog down the damn hallway.
I'm just letting you know. That's
Lord have mercy, Jesus. PG-13, y'all.
hot dog. That's a hot dog.
Indeed it is.
Look, the only reason I got stuck is to make you look good. That's it.
Well,
That's all.
damn.
I mean, you see this, there ain't no mud in the tires.
Well, you know, I just got a little dirt on it. I just need to brush it off. Try it again. I just need to try it again.
Baby, that's all.